Hearing unfamiliar sounds? Good news. Oftentimes, these noises usually mean your appliances are operating as they should. Refrigerator or freezer running continuously? Your appliances are equipped with energy-efficient variable speed compressors. These compressors actually save energy by running more frequently. Popping or cracking sound when the compressor runs? This is normal. These sounds are caused by the internal components as they expand and contract with temperature changes, or by the circulation of the refrigerant. The following sounds are normal when the ice maker is operating: motor running, ice loosening from tray, ice dropping into ice container, running water, water valve opening and closing. You may hear an alarm or audible tone to alert you so you can check your appliance. Here are the most common alarms and how best to address them. If a door has been left open for more than 5 minutes, door open will illuminate on your display and an alert will sound. To clear, acknowledge the alarm by pressing door open or simply close the door. You may also notice the interior light will turn off when the door is open longer than 5 minutes. In the event of a power failure, the power outage alert will be illuminated once power has been restored and a tone will sound. To reset the alarm, simply press the power outage button. In the event of a high temperature condition in your freezer or refrigerator, an alarm will sound. The red high temp LED light will illuminate and the alarm will sound. Oftentimes, this is the result of a door being left open. To reset the alert, simply press the high temp button. Allow time for the temperature to return to normal. Experiencing an error tone or alarm not yet mentioned? You may need to contact the Electrolux customer care team. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.